Chole bhature, chole chawal, rajma chawal, these are the favorite of most of us, isn't it? But when we plan to cook chole or rajma, first they have to be soaked overnight to soften them and cook next day. So basically, it takes a long time to eat them. And if we crave to have them immediately, we generally choose to order online. So today I'm going to share with you all a quick trick to cook the chole and rajma without soaking them for long time. This tip will also be very helpful for you when you're going to host your sudden guest. However, soaking them overnight is a healthy way of cooking and we should always follow this practice. It would be better if you soak them in hot water for at least 15 minutes. Put them in the pressure cooker and take 4 to 5 whistles. Wait till the cooker cools down a bit but not completely. Remove the whistle very carefully. And here comes the trick. Add ice cubes in the cooker which is already hot and again take 4 to 5 whistles. And voila! Your chole is boiled. Wasn't it a cool trick? Here you can see that every grain is absolutely soft. Now your chole is ready to cook with tomatoes and onion and you can enjoy them with bhature or chawal. Similar trick you can apply to make rajma also. Eating palak or spinach is a very healthy option in our weekly diet. We usually cook palak paneer or green saag from palak, and that too seems difficult as one has to use a mixer to make a paste and then the gravy. It is advisable not to cut the stem just below the leaf. Cut it from a short distance as it has a lot of nutrition in it. My idea to use spinach in our weekly diet or even 2 to 3 times in a week for our family is very quick and simple. Wash the spinach well, put them in pressure cooker, also add in the water just to boil them, not more than that. After one whistle, turn off the gas and remove the cooker from the gas. Now take out the boiled palak in a bowl. Yes, you're right, I'm going to knead a dough out of it. Add some spices like chili powder, cumin powder, asafoetida. Here you don't need the mixer to make a paste out of it. Just add wheat flour after cooling it down and knead the dough. Now you know why did I ask you to add just a required amount of water to boil it? Because we don't want to waste this nutritious water or else the dough will be prepared for 2 to 3 days. Now you can make parathas and even poori from this dough. Enjoy the palak paratha and palak poori. Did you enjoy today's video? Please let me know in the comment box. Also, please like and share my videos and subscribe to Abode Diaries.